GD 26 here, just do their tips and repairs. And when you want to maintain your fine line brushes, you want to dip in the appropriate solution, which is, this is Windex and water, because we're using acrylic. And you want to swirl it around, tap it off, and this is a fine brush, and you want to roll it onto your tissue like this. Okay, keeping that point nice and perfect. You're keeping the brush bristles in the right correct orientation. So I want to show you that, and if you have one that's sticking out a hair or two on the brush, all you want to do is you take a little scissor and you snip that piece off, and that's how you maintain your brushes. Please ring the notification bell, and for new tips and tricks, and see me on Patreon if you want to be a member of that, and see my friends in the playlist too. They've got some very good videos. So just remember, just roll the brush after you dip it in either water and Windex if you're using acrylic, or lacquer thinner if you're using lacquer paint, and you'll maintain your brushes for a very long time. Thanks for watching. Take care.